If you've ever heard someone say that tiny houses can never match the comfort of a traditional home, this one is basically raising a glass and saying, "Hold my beer." Because this park tiny from the US comes in with some serious confidence and a whole lot of comfort packed into it. This is the eVista King, and yes, it can actually hold several of those beers you're supposedly holding, while giving you a ridiculously comfortable place to enjoy them and soak in the view wherever you're parked. It's a fully custom tiny house based on Escape Traveler's Vista flagship model, a design that once earned the unofficial title of the most beautiful tiny house in the world. So right from the start, expectations are pretty high. What's interesting is that this particular unit was built as a display model. Escape has said they built it for themselves, pulling inspiration not just from the Vista, but also from their classic King floor plan, which longtime tiny house fans already know and love. The goal here was to blend the best of both worlds into one seriously impressive king-size tiny. One of the biggest standouts is the enclosed terrace, which adds over 100 square feet of extra living space. That's not just a nice bonus, it's a game changer. It's the kind of space where you can kick back with a drink, host friends, or just enjoy being indoors while still feeling connected to the outdoors. Design-wise, Escape sticks to a look that's instantly recognizable. Their style takes cues from Frank Lloyd Wright's idea of organic architecture, where buildings feel connected to their surroundings. That philosophy fits perfectly with tiny house living, especially when sustainability and harmony with nature are part of the appeal. Inside, that design approach shows up as clean lines, minimalist furniture, and neutral tones that make the space feel calm and intentional. The cabinetry is custom-made from hard maple. The appliances are stainless steel and feel more like what you'd expect in a regular house, and there's plenty of glazing to keep everything bright and open. In terms of size, the eVista King measures 39 feet long and 10 feet wide, sitting on a custom triple-axle trailer. It's big enough that moving it requires special permits, but since this is a park tiny, it's really meant to stay put once you've found the perfect spot. It's also fully electric, so there's no propane to deal with, which is a nice modern touch. The layout is smart and simple, with the bedroom at one end and the screened porch at the other. Construction details include a steel roof, long warranty siding, closed cell insulation for a high R value, and tongue-and-groove walls, all of which make this feel more like a solid cabin than a lightweight trailer. That cabin on wheels vibe continues inside, where everything is conveniently on one level. There are no ladders to climb or awkward sleeping lofts here. You get a comfortable living area, a dedicated dining space, a full kitchen, a full bathroom, and a proper bedroom, all on the ground floor. You enter through the porch straight into the living room, where there's a pull-out couch facing a fireplace with a smart TV mounted above it. Right next to that is a compact but very usable dining area, which already puts this tiny house ahead of many others in terms of everyday comfort. Even though it's still a tiny house, Escape uses some clever tricks to make it feel larger. A full mirrored wall near the dining space helps bounce light around, and a massive picture window along the side almost turns the wall into a frame for the outdoors. The kitchen is well equipped with a 2-burner induction cooktop, a microwave, a residential fridge with a freezer, and lots of counter space. Soft close hinges and full extension drawers are used throughout, so every inch of storage is easy to access and feels thoughtfully designed. Across from the kitchen is the bathroom, which features a high-end Toto Total toilet, a one-piece fiberglass shower, and a compact sink. There's also a decent amount of storage here, including open shelves and a small linen cubby, so it doesn't feel cramped or purely functional. At the back of the house, the bedroom keeps things calm and cozy. It includes Escape's signature picture windows, a full king-size bed with space to walk around it, storage on both sides, and another smart TV on the wall. The same soothing colors and simple styling carry through, making it a genuinely relaxing place to wind down. Now let's talk price, because this is where things get even more interesting. Despite being a fully custom build, Escape is offering the eVista King for $81,930. For a tiny house of this size, with this level of finish and features, that's actually quite reasonable. Shipping is available to almost anywhere in the US as well. Even if you're not in the market to buy one, the eVista King is still worth appreciating. It shows just how far tiny house living has come. What used to be seen as a compromise is now a legitimate, even luxurious way to live when it's done right. And this tiny home is proof of that.